Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to go for password autofill in any iPhone device. While you're installing any application guys, you are visiting any official website. If there is a required to enter the password of this ID that has been linked to this device. So you will have to type the password of that ID, then you will be able to visit or you will be able to install any application in a Play Store or App Store. So in this situation, how you will activate autofill password so that you can save times. Let's understand with example here. Just I'm in an App Store right now and I would like to download this Google Translate. So I have clicked here. Now see guys, I will go for install it. So I will click on install. Now it's demanding enter the password of this ID that has been linked with this device. So in the situations, you will have to type here password. Then you will be able to install this application on your device. So here, how you will go for autofill so that you can save your time. So for it guys, you will have to come in settings, and after coming the setting, just you have to choose here this touch ID and passcode options. This one, see guys, this one's. So let me choose here. Just simply you will have to enter your passcode of your Apple device. So let me enter. Now I have entered here. Now see guys here, both options, apps and store and the password autofill, both options I have to here activate. So let me activate it. So it's asking enter the passcode, so enter the password. The first time you will have to enter the password of your ID that has been linked with this device. So let me go for here. Now see guys, it has been activated now, right now. So now what we have to do guys, once again I have to come in an App Store, and once again here I will try to download any applications. So let's see, once again I will attempt to download or install this Google Translate. So now see guys, it's asking just to touch your home button and you will be able to. So let's see, I would like to bypass here. So just I will click here and I will. Now see guys, it has started to. Now it has been. So I have to set the time here simply, and it has started to install right now. Now see guys. So this is the easy way by virtue of this, and if you would like to off it, then simply you have to deactivate off that autofill options. You will be able to deactivate of that. So according to your own visualization guys, you can go for password autofill, or if you don't, then you can disable off it also. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If this is a knowledgeable video, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for you, enhancing the knowledge in a technology field guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.